Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Malwarebytes install. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Malwarebytes in your PC. But today's video, I'm going to teach you the most easiest and PCS, cheesiest, and the most basic way to download the Malwarebytes. So let's get started. So we're not just going to type here the Malwarebytes. Nope. We're going to go to a site that we called Nanite. There you go, Nanite, then .com, then enter. After that, we are now here in Nanite and choose an app. For example, we're gonna choose. Where is it? There we go. Securities, Malwarebytes, and click on that. Check. Then click on Get Your Nanite. After clicking on Get Your Nanite, just wait for a few seconds. And there you go. It's now downloading. Once this starts downloading, click on that, and then click right here. Then it's preparing the setup. Now we're just gonna wait. There we go, it's downloading the Malwarebytes. And a quick tip for you guys, if you don't trust me on this Nanite site, you can just go to the Google and just type Malwarebytes. Right here, type it here, Malwarebytes. Then click right here. After clicking that, just click on download now. This will do a free download. There you go. But for now, we're gonna use the Nanite because this is the quickest and easiest way to download the Malwarebytes. There you go. Installing Malwarebytes. Don't worry, this has no virus or anything. I've completely checked the site and of course I've checked the app if it carries viruses or maybe a Trojan or maybe something. Any of those, but it's all good. Now let's just wait. And there you go. It is now finished. Now you can enjoy your Malwarebytes. And there, I hope you guys liked the video, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. And thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.